Hi everyone, Bastien, co-founder of Hublead, and today I'm going to show you how to maximize your inbound with RB2B and HubSpot. Thanks to RB2B, you will identify prospects going to your website but didn't fill a form. They will send you in your Slack new leads with the LinkedIn profile. You go on the LinkedIn profile, you import the contact with Hublead, you send an invitation and get a notification when that contact accepted your invitation to do the follow-up easier. So I will show you that right now, step by step. Let's dive in. Okay, go to rb2b.com, start for free, and be careful, it's only for US-based traffic. Continue to next step, enter your email, now select Slack, next step. Now you have to install the tracking script. So I put my domain, next step. If you use Google Tag Manager, it will be easier, but you can also view and install the script and you copy paste inside your website. Now you will get Slack notification where you have, for example, we have this lead. I click on the LinkedIn URL and Hublead will detect if the contact is already inside your HubSpot or not. You can search for any people or you can search by company name, company domain or email. Here is not in my HubSpot, so I can click on create contact. I can search for email over there. So you see, I have a bunch of email. I can select this one because it's matched with the company domain. I have different phone numbers. I choose only one, but the other one will be stored inside HubSpot. So you do not lose any data. I can just send an invitation without a note or with a note. For me, I don't recommend to add a note, but if you want, you can add something. Don't be creepy like I saw you on my website, but you didn't fill the form. I think it's better to say nothing and just send an invitation. And after he accepted your invitation, Hublead will detect that automatically. Also, I created a property called lead source on the contact, so I can pull it over there. You can search, click on lead source and save. And now I can identify, okay, this contact is coming from RB2B. Now you see I have an active list. Lead source is any of RB2B, and I can see the contact over there. Now, let's say I want to know, okay, which one has accepted my invitation or did I send an invitation to them? So I can just click on edit filter, add a filter here, search for Hublead. And now you can select some timeline event like LinkedIn invitation sent to be sure that, okay, you sent an invitation, they accepted an invitation. Or for example, you want to know if you sent a message, so this is the event you will need, or if you received an answer from them. So I can pull some list of people I didn't connect, but coming from RB2B, or I connected and didn't send a message to them, or I sent a message, but they didn't answer to me. So you can keep track of every lead you're contacting on RB2B. For example, I have this list of RB2B contacts who accepted my LinkedIn invitation. So lead source is any of RB2B and at least one event on the contact for the event accepted my LinkedIn invitation. And after, you can just create a simple workflow for any people who is added to your RB2B contact list who accepted your invitation. And here you can have a Slack notification whenever a lead coming from RB2B accepted your invitation on LinkedIn. So you can send a message right away. And at the end, you have the lifecycle stage and the lead status. So you can identify how many deals is coming from RB2B. So if it's a good lead source or not. And if you have to deep dive on that source to get more and more deals and of course, more and more revenue. I hope you appreciated this video. Leave me some comments if you have some questions and see you around.